Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming that the chocolate is curdled, not grainy from sugar bloom. This matters for the fix. Heat a saucepan with an inch of simmering water and set a heat-proof bowl on top, or prepare a microwave at 50% power. Chop chocolate into uniform pieces so it melts evenly. Once done, reserve 1 to 2 tablespoons of warm cream or neutral oil. This will be the key to re-emulsify fats and solids as you proceed. Once your chocolate is partially melted and still lumpy, remove it briefly from heat and add warm cream or oil in teaspoon increments while stirring. This prevents temperature shock and rebuilds the emulsion. Keep temperatures steady, under 45 degrees C for dark, slightly lower for milk or white, because excess heat causes separation. Make sure to scrape the bowl sides so no unmelted bits stay cold. If it thickens too much, add another small splash and whisk with short, brisk motions until the mixture becomes glossy. To finish, bring the chocolate to its working temperature gradually. Set the bowl over warm water briefly and stir until smooth, then cool on the counter away from drafts. Make sure viscosity is right for your use. Add tiny amounts of warm cream to loosen, or let rest and stir gently. If it remains curdled, reheat slightly and whisk vigorously with an extra 5 to 10% liquid, or temper the chocolate properly. This usually restores shine and snap. If not,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.